Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the poem If by Rudyard Kipling. तर रुडयार्ड किपलिंग यांची पोएम आपण पाहणार आहे. It is very philosophical poem. It is considered as one of the most popular poem in English. Public general consciousness. How should man behave? What should be virtues, values, principles when we live in life? So this is very motivational and inspirational poem with mottos and maxims. How should be the commitment? How should we live the life? How should we lead a life? How should we cope with the situation? How should we take the opportunity? How should we live? How should we react? Whether we should be humble or not? How should we be brave? How should we have the power, the strength, the courage? All have been told. What kind of discipline we need, efforts we need, trials and tribulations, all have been explained in this poem. So without wasting the time, I continue the poem. If. मराठीमध्ये जर म्हणतो आपण. जर असं केलं तसं केलं तर असं होतं. तर बऱ्याचदा आपल्या चर्चेचा विषय असतो. असं झालं असतं तसं झालं असतं. पण जर म्हणून काय उपयोग नाही. But if it's the same if we say about future, definitely we can do something. असं केलं तर असं होईल. असं जर असेल, if we say if like that, then there is definitely some you can get. So I'll begin the poem. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you. Keep your head means be calm, be cool, have the temperament. ज्यावेळेस प्रत्येक लोक तुम्हाला दोष देतात, when they are losing their tempers, blaming it on you, सगळ्या गोष्टीचं खापर तुमच्यावर फोडतात, तुम्हाला दोषी मानतात, ब्लेम करतात, त्यांचे तुमच्यामुळे ते हारलेत असं म्हणतात. बी काम, शांत राहा. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, have faith in yourself. स्वतःवरचा विश्वास ढळू देऊ नका. If people doubt you, make them doubt, no problem. But make allowance for their doubting too. But whatever their doubts, try to know at least. Accept it. Forgive them. If you can wait and not be tired by waiting or being lied about, don't deal in lies. Or being hated, don't give way to hating. Waiting is the most crucial thing in life. Waiting is boring, many says, but you have to wait. Don't get tired by waiting. Waiting करून थकलं नाही पाहिजे. वाट पाहायला शिकलं पाहिजे. Or being lied about. काही लोक तुमच्या बाबतीत खोटं नाटं सांगतात. So don't deal in lies. त्याच्यामध्ये अडकून बसू नका. तुम्हीही त्यांच्यासारखं वागू नका. Or being hated, don't give way to hating. If they hate you, don't think that you should also hate them. If they hate, let them hate. Don't worry. You love them. Don't hate. And yet don't look too good nor to talk too wise. If you behave in this manner, it doesn't mean you are too wise, you are too good. Don't consider like this. There should not be pride feeling. Ego should not be there. And don't try to say I am very wise, I am very smart, I am very good. Don't try to say. It should be reflected that others will say that you are wise. Don't say yourself I am wise. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, you should dream, very high dream you should have, but don't make dreams your master. They should not be your master. You should not be servant of your dreams. You should be the master of your dreams. You should yourself be the master. तुम्ही स्वतःच त्याचे मालक झाले पाहिजे. तुम्ही स्वप्नांचे नौकर नाही झाले पाहिजे. If you can think and not make thoughts you aim, thoughts your aim. You should think what you want to do. तुम्हाला काय करायचं त्याचा विचार करा. काहीतरी गोल ठेवा. Have some aim in life. If you can meet with triumph and disaster, you should meet with triumph and disaster. Win, victory and disaster, defeat. यश आणि अपयश येत असतं, ते पचवलं पाहिजे. ज्या प्रकारे महादेवांनी विष पचवलं, त्या प्रकारे आपल्याला बऱ्याचदा काही लोकांना अपयश पचवता येत नाही, काही लोकांना यश पण पचवता येत नाही. या दोन्ही गोष्टी आहेत. सो यू शुड हॅव द कॉन्स्टंट अप्रोच इन लाईफ. लाईफमध्ये कॉन्स्टंट अप्रोच डेव्हलप केला पाहिजे. प्रत्येक वेळी सगळी गोष्ट मनासारखं होईलच असं नाही. यू मे गेट फेल्युअर समटाइम्स. So it doesn't mean you should react oddly. If you treat those two imposters just the same, so you should treat in the same manner. Deceivers आहे ते. हारणे किंवा जिंकणे हे आपल्या deceivers आहेत. You should have your balance, maintain the balance of both, and treat those two imposters just the same. If you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools, or watch the things you gave your life to broken. तर दुसरे लोक तुम्हाला दगड मारतील, काहीही बोलतील, तर त्याच्यातून काहीतरी चांगलं घ्या. काही लोक फसवायचा प्रयत्न करतात. डोंट बी ट्रॅप्ड बाय फूल्स. और वॉच द थिंग्स यू गेव युअर लाईफ टू ब्रोकन. काही लोक तुम्हाला दगड मारतात, काही लोक तुमच्या काचा फोडतात, तर त्यापासून काय बनवता येईल, काय करता येईल, कसा यूज करता येईल ते बघा. और वॉच द थिंग्स यू गेव युअर लाईफ टू ब्रोकन और अँड स्टूप अँड बिल्ड देम अप विथ ओन आउट टूल्स. तर हार्डवर्क, डिटर्मिनेशन सोडू नका. इफ यू कॅन मेक वन हीप ऑफ ऑल युअर वीडिंग्स. एकदा जिंकलं म्हणजे नाही. यू शुड मेक हीप. सवय झाली पाहिजे. And risk it on one turn of each of pitch and toss. प्रत्येक वेळी आपल्या हातातच टॉस असतो, प्रत्येक वेळी आपल्या हातातच गोष्टी असतात असं नाही. कधी आपल्या विरुद्ध टॉस जाईल तरी देखील मॅच खेळली पाहिजे, जिंकली पाहिजे. and lose and start again at your beginning. समजा हार झाले तर don't think about it, think about the next. No word about loss. हारल्यानंतर त्याचं विचार नाही करायचा, त्याबद्दल काहीही बोलायचं नाही. And never breathe a word about your loss. If you can force your heart and nerve and sinew to serve your turn long after they are gone, and so hold on when there is nothing in you. ज्यावेळेस आपल्याजवळ काही नाही याचा अर्थ आपण नवीन सुरुवात करू शकतो. Accept the will which you says to them hold on. तर सस्टेन करणं फार महत्वाचं आहे. सर्वायवल इज द फिटेस्ट, ॲज सेड बाय चार्ल्स डार्विन. सेम हॅपन्स टू लाईफ. लाईफमध्ये सुद्धा सर्वाईव्ह करणं फार अवघड असतं. कोप विथ द सिच्युएशन, हँडल द सिच्युएशन, टॅकल द सिच्युएशन. इफ यू कॅन टॉक विथ क्राउड्स अँड कीप युअर व्हर्च्यू, you should be very close to the king, you should be very close to the crowds. प्रत्येक वेळी मोठ्या माणसाकडे, हायर ऑथॉरिटीच्या जवळच बसलं पाहिजे, राहिलं पाहिजे असं नाही. You should be good to both crowd as well, people, common people as well. Or walk with the kings nor lose that common touch. king सोबत जरी राहिलं तरी common touch विसरला नाही पाहिजे. If neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you but none too much. Don't hurt to your friends, don't hurt your close ones, don't hurt your enemies also. शत्रू आहे म्हणून त्रास देऊ नका. If you can feel the unforgiving minute, प्रत्येक वेळेचा सदुपयोग करा. यूज द टाइम. टाइम इज व्हेरी प्रिशियस. टाइम अँड टाइड वेट फॉर नन. वेळ कुणासाठी थांबत नाही. With 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth and everything that's in it. ही पृथ्वी आपली आहे आणि आपण या पृथ्वीमधले आहे. आणि पृथ्वीमधलं जे काही ते सगळं आपलंच आहे, तुझंच आहे. And which is more, you will be a man, my son. If we follow this, actually this is the guide, lecture or guidance from father to son. You will be a man, my son. If you have the mastery over all this, you will lead a meaningful life. Yours is the earth. You will become the master of your destiny. तूच आहे तुझ्या जीवनाचा शिल्पकार. When it is possible, if you do what if says. If मध्ये जे सांगितलेलं आहे ते जर आपण फॉलो केलं तर डेफिनेटली आपण सुद्धा we can lead our life, we can live a meaningful life. And here ends very inspirational poem by Rudyard Kipling. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you but make allowance for their doubting too, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting or being lied about, don't deal in lies or being hated, don't give way to hating. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, if you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those too imposed to just the same, if you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken twisted by nails to make a trap for fools, or watch the things you gave your life to, if you can make one heap of all your winnings and risk it on one turn of pitch and toss and lose and start again at your innings and never breathe a word about your loss, if you can force your heart and nerve and sinew to serve your turn long after they are gone, if you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue or walk with kings, not lose the common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you but none too much, if you can feel the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you will be a man, my son. This is If by Rudyard Kipling. As I said, it lists a set of conditionals for the speaker's son to follow in order to become an ideal person, ideal man. The speaker advises his son about how to pursue the world and life's challenges so that he can both learn from his experiences and resolutely overcome barriers. The poem is a father defining for his son the qualities of a good man. He is setting the parameters of or boundaries for his son and giving him a goal to achieve. The poem deals with life's challenges and how to deal with them. I keep 6 honest serving men. Their names are what and why and when and how and where and who. So very great writer, Rudyard Kipling. He was journalist, short story writer, poet, novelist as well. He was born in India. He inspired many most popular writers in UK, both prose and verse. Again, he got Nobel Prize in 1907 at the age of 41. So these are some information about this writer. He learned in UK. Nobel Prize he got. Kipling kept writing until the early 1930s, but at a slower pace with much less success than before. On the night of 12 January 1936, he suffered hemorrhage in his small intestine. He underwent surgery but died less than a week later on 18 January 1936 at the age of 70 of a perforated duodenal ulcer. His death had previously been incorrectly announced in magazine to which he wrote, "I have just read that I am dead. Don't forget to delete me from your list of subscribers." As I said, he's very popular as a writer, as a novelist, as a short story writer. The Jungle Book, very famous. You may have seen the films on it, the programs, the serials. Just so stories. Kim, Captain's Courageous, If, Gunga Din, The White Man's Burden. So this is all about this man. Here ends the poem If. Thank you.